How to fix the to send an audio file. Allow WhatsApp access to your device's music and audio error. First, open WhatsApp and try send audio file to someone. It show this, so this is solution. First, go to the settings on your phone. Tap on Apps or App Manager, that depending on your device. Find and select WhatsApp from the list of apps. Tap Permissions. Ensure that storage or media permissions are enabled. You can also turn on all permissions for WhatsApp to avoid other permission-related issues. Once permissions are granted, go back to WhatsApp and try sending the audio file again. And that's it. The issue should now be resolved, and you can send audio files without any problems. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.